Yo, I'm back again with the last clip. Same thing, we are still going to do the calculation of mean and standard deviation for group data, but it's a range of values this time round. Okay? Now, let us take a look at page 10. At the bottom of page 10, you have try it for. It shows the amount of time spent watching television program daily by 60 people. Now, the problem now is there are 11 people using a time from 0 to 2. 18 people spending 2 to 4 hours. Whereas 15 people are spending 4 to 6 hours, 9 from 6 to 8, and 7 to 8 to 10. But what exactly is the amount of time spent by these 11 people? 18, 15, 9, and 7. We wouldn't know. So, this is what I call a range value. Whenever a range value is given to you, you need to take the average. Meaning, since it's 0 to 2, the average of 0 and 2 is 1. Since it's 2 to 4, the average of 2 and 4 is 3. 4 to 6 would be 5. 6 to 8 will be 7. Likewise, the average from 8 to 10 will be 9. So, we are ready to calculate our mean and standard deviation. Same thing. Going back to your calculator, the first thing you need to do is to clear the memory. Okay, now we are going to calculate the standard deviation of the television program watched by 60 people. Let us input. From 0 to 2, the average is 1, comma, 11 of them. Stop. Next, 2 to 4, the average is 3, comma, watched by 18 people. Stop. 5, comma, 15. Stop. 7, comma, 9. Stop. Last but not least, 9, comma, 7. Stop. The most important thing is check you have actually entered 60 data set. So recall n, which is 0, and there are 60 people. Very good. We can calculate our mean. 4.43. Last but not least, the standard deviation. 2.51 as estimated to 3SF. Are you able to do the same? If that's the case, let us try another one more question. Question 1b on page 12. Question 1b on page 12. There is a range of values given. The first thing you need to do is to find the average value of the range first before you tap on the frequency. So, from 10 to 20, the average is 15. 20 to 30, the average is 20 plus 30 divided by 2, 25. 30 to 40, the average is 35. 40 to 50 is 45 if you want to calculate the average. Now, we are ready to begin. Clear the memory. Next, we are ready to enter our data. First, we have 15. The frequency is 9. Store it in. Next, we have 15. The frequency is 13. Store it in. Followed by 35, comma, 17 as the frequency. Store it in. Last but not least, 45, comma, frequency is 11. Store it in. How many data sets are we supposed to obtain? Quick calculation. There are total of 50 in the frequency. So, recall n. Yes, we have 50. So we must be on the right track. The mean is 28.4. Standard deviation is 12.4 when estimated to 3SF. Do you have the same answer as mine? Very good. You can progress with the rest of the lesson. Now you are ready to do the calculation for 2B, 3C, question 5 and question 6. And that sort of sums up today's lesson, meaning you already learned how to calculate mean and standard deviation for both group and ungrouped data. With that, sayonara, see you tomorrow.